Hi, and welcome back to Sensors Converge 2022 here in San Jose, California. I'm your host, Ulysses Inguez from Microchip Technology, and we're here today at booth 218. If you're around, please come check out our demos and talk to our experts. But if you can't make it, you can check us out at www.microchip.com/Sensors Converge. Now today we'll be talking to JR about our development board. What makes this development board different than the other ones?
Thanks, Ulysses. This is the SAM IoT development kit. We developed several IoT development kits with 8, 16, and 32-bit microcontrollers. This one, when you go out and you look for a development kit to get started on IoT, you have a lot of different options out there. Many of those options have made security sacrifices in order to get it to make it be easy out of the box. And also, when it's easy out of the box, sometimes that prohibits the scalability up to a production number of devices. This one we worked directly with Microsoft Azure IoT Central Group together so that we could not have any sacrifices in security. We could maintain that ease of use out of box in your initial prototype, and then also offer the scalability to get you to production with the same secure hardware that you started with.
All right, awesome. And what hardware does it have and what can it connect to?
Yep, so on this particular kit there is a temperature sensor and a light sensor. There's an AT-ECC 608 hardware secure element, a SAM-D21 32-bit microcontroller, and a Wink 1510 Wi-Fi transceiver. That includes a TCP/IP stack and TLS 1.2 and connects securely to Microsoft Azure IoT Central. And from there, over Wi-Fi, you can see the dashboard, where this board is reporting data real time of the light and ambient temperature in the room.
All right, awesome. I understand that Microchip and Microsoft work closely together on this solution. Can you tell me more about that?
Yeah, so that was very important. When doing an IoT design, it often requires a huge, varied skill set in order to be successful with the solution, from the embedded side to the cloud side. So what Microsoft and Microchip worked together on was having the embedded engineers and the cloud engineers working together so we each understood each other's challenges when putting together this kit. We wanted to maintain its simplicity, maintain its security, and make sure that we were delivering something that was easy to use and people could get up and running in a production environment.
All right, well, thank you, JR.
Thank you.
And then on the other side of this wall, we have our next development board. This is our new development board, and Johan is our expert. So Johan, can you tell me more about this development board?
Sure. So this is the AVR IoT cellular board. It's a new board we just released. They had a press release last week. And it's just a cellular board or an IoT board to create IT applications using the cellular network. So we have the AVR DB as the main microcontroller. We have the ECC 608B as the secure element. And then we have the Sequans Monarch 2, the GM02S from our partners Sequans on this board. So the demo we have here, as you can see, is actually streaming light data to the actual cloud. So you can see if I can hold over there, you see the light intensity drops. So it's actually sending cellular data right now.
Okay, awesome. What are the benefits or what applications can you use this for?
Well, there are many applications. So just the ones that come to mind is wherever you wouldn't, for instance, have Wi-Fi coverage or any of the more traditional connected coverages. So asset tracking or livestock tracking. I don't know, let's say you have a cat and you want to know where it moves around. It moves out of your Wi-Fi range and you want to know where it is. You can put one of these on them. Or maybe it's more of an industrial application. Maybe you're actually tracking a package that's being moved. You can put one of these and you know exactly where it is at all times.
All right, awesome. And how can I learn more about this?
So you can go to our webpage and find this board on our webpage. It's on our development boards page. Or you can just Google AVR IoT Cellular and you'll find it. And if you want more information more technically about the firmware we developed, you can go to iot.microchip.com/docs.
All right, thank you very much.
Thank you.
And for our audience, if you're around, we're at booth 218. And for those who can't make it, go to www.microchip.com/Sensors Converge. And also make sure to check out all the other content from our other demos. Thank you.